Hey everybody! That's my Dr. Nick Riviera impression. This is Nick Skiba though, and that's a 2.7 EcoBoost 2018 XLT F-150 crew cab. Here's your interior. And the XLT2 with the touchscreen and the heated seats. And the air conditioner's blowing now too, you can tell. 22,000 miles on it. It's a crew cab. That's a short box, a 5.5 foot box. You can see in the bed it's got the spray-in bed liner from Ford. Little bung right there. Not gonna not show you that stuff. You gotta see what you're looking at, you know. Again, the interior. And the back seat. Tires are probably brand new. 22,000 miles on them, I guess. And there's one other little mark on it right here. But overall, there you have it. 2018 F-150 low miles. Check it out at SnowyMountainMotors.com.